Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Everybody knows what's currently going on in Africa here. They are trying their best to assassinate Ibrahim TRAORE, but I don't think it will work this time around. Every time they try, it always works. They always succeed in turning the people against the president. That's what happened in Ghana, Kwame Nkrumah. That's exactly what happened in Congo to Patrick Lumumba. And that's exactly what happened to Muammar Gaddafi. That's what happened. If you go and more, that's what happened to Saddam Hussein. Saddam Hussein, in fact, they sentenced him to death. Like, that's their own people. So it's very funny that this time around, that's why I will say to our Burkina Faso people, thank you. Because you guys have opened the eyes of Africans. Because if you guys didn't do it, by the time we would have seen it, they have already succeeded in assassinating him. But, you know, thanks to you, all thanks to you, that you have done your best, and then you open our eyes and our mind. You know, thank you to you guys. Number two, if you guys remember, the first president in the entire Africa to go to America and talk about Ibrahim TRAORE was Ghana president, former president, Nana Akufo-Addo. He was
I was part of an extremely useful meeting with the people from the Congress.
Very funny. Our own people, you know, all of this shouting that the entire Africa people are protesting, shouting, you know, leave Ibrahim TRAORE, you know, tell Trump to leave us alone, all of that. Have you seen any of our African president come out and talk or say anything? No. You know why? You know why, I know why. Because they call him a dictator. If you remember, ECOWAS, the African Union, they're all part of this game. Just that the people, the African people in general, we in general, because I can tell you, I can guarantee you, and I can tell you in my heart, if Ibrahim TRAORE today opened borders and said, we are open for foreigners, like different African nationalities, different African from all over the world to come and join his army, I guarantee you he will not be able to accommodate people. He won't be able to, because Ghana here alone, maybe I might be one of the people who will join him, because we are sick and tired of colonialism. We're sick and tired of foreigners, foreign countries come to Africa and milk us to go and feed their families at home. They make us poor, and our leaders are so dumb. They're so dumb. That's why, you know, I was talking.
Also, you know, as they know that both, you know, whether it's their gold reserves, that is all those proceeds are just in exchange to protect the junta regime. There's a number of examples across. Even in Sudan, what's going on with the rapid support forces and in Burhan of the Sudan forces, when you get down to it, is all about the revenue that can be drawn out of that, and there are nefarious actors in the CCP or in sometimes Russia are complicit in those activities.
Okay, well, you can't imagine how frustrating it seems to me.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like the video, and follow. Assalamu alaikum.